Hello, everybody out there. It is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and it is a great day to be a junior Potter. We're on our last day of April. Can you believe it that we've been doing a month of this distance learning stuff here? But most of you have done it with flying colors, and hats off to you for keeping up with everything. Appreciate everything that you've been doing out there. What we've got going on today and tomorrow, it's going to be a similar format. So I'll go a little bit more into how this will work today. I'll show you some of the stuff for tomorrow. But what we've got going on here today is that you're going to watch some videos, or quick little videos, about a minute or two each, probably until you get the point. I mean, some of them are a little bit longer, but if you get the point of what's happening with it, you can probably answer the questions pretty easily. About some symbiotic relationships happening. From our pals at PBS are giving us those videos here today and help try to communicate some of these relationships to you. So here's the document. When you open it up, let me transition it into seeing the things here. Oh, first off, boom, up above here, before we get into it, general announcements. Same as always, but make sure you're checking those emails each day. Mr. Hoffman's going to give you something over the next couple of days about a rundown of how the end of the year festivities will happen. So check those links, same link that's in the attendance stuff and everything that he sends out daily. So make sure that you check all that stuff. Now we can dip into our videos here. Let me transition screens. Boom. There we go. So our videos, we got this nice little table chart set up here. On the first row, it gives you the two animals that I want you to look at in the video. And usually the animals are the star of the show, but not always. But usually they're the focal point of it. The first one, we got a tiger shark and a loggerhead turtle. In the middle column, you have the actual video. You should be able to click on the link, and it should open up the website or give you a way to open up the website. If not, on the classroom, I have posted the links to these videos attached to today's post. So if you can't get them to open there, you should be able to get them open there. If for some reason you're not finding the link, send me an email. I will give you the two links for today. But you're going to open it up. This is from the documentary series Nature, which has since been changed to something else. But you're going to watch this video. The first one's about sharks and turtles, so you'll watch the video. All you got to do is hit play. I'm not going to hit play because I don't think I can for some kind of weird video recording thing of recording, so I'm not going to do that. But you're going to get the information from the video. As you're watching the video, there is two questions that I want you to answer. The first one is you're going to tell me the type of relationship the shark and the turtle have. And then you're going to tell me the reason why you chose that, giving something from the video, what is happening in the video, what is being demonstrated in the video, what is being talked about in the video. Something from that is why you gave the reason why. Now, there are 5 things that you have to do today. It is not a thing where you're going to use all 5 of the choices. You might have 3 predations today. You might have 5 mutualisms. They are not all on display for the videos. So you have to think about which ones you want to use. Some of them you will use more than once. Some of them you will not use at all today. Over the course of the next 2 days, you're going to be using them at least once, but some of them will be used a lot more, as there's just basically more examples of some of these things. So keep that in mind as you are watching these videos there, that you will not use each one as your options. You got to choose each video. Each video is a fresh viewing of it. So that's the first one there, the shark versus the turtle. Once you get done with that, you can move on to our second link for today, which is the shark versus the other fish. Now, if you look at it, everything, the other 4 shark versus whatever today that I want you to look at are all from the same link. So when you open it up, this one's going to be a little bit larger of a video to watch. I think it's like 5 minutes, but it talks about the shark and different types of fish. So that is why it's chunked out. It's like about a minute and a half when it talks about each pairing. So you might have to pause it to write your answer and then go back to start it up for the next one. So keep that in mind as you're watching it there. As we got these sharks and rays, unlikely travel companions, which is just the other fish that could that they can interact with on sometimes a weird basis there. So that is our goal for today. When you're done with all 5 of the videos of telling me what relationship and why those are happening that way, click that link to submit it, or click on the classroom to submit the Google Classroom post there for it. And then you are done for today. And there's going to be something very similar tomorrow, but using different animals. The ones today all involve sharks, because I had a shark theme when we would talk about this in class of looking at the shark. So that's why all these videos are shark based. Tomorrow's videos deal with a lot of other different types of animals. So you'll be able to get some other experiences tomorrow going off of those. So stay alert out there as far as those emails go from Mr. Hoffman. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them. Ask away. We'll be here to answer. Hopefully you're staying safe. Everything's going well. We only got a couple of weeks left of this craziness, so stick with it there. I know you all can do it. And always remember, it's a great day to be a junior Potter.